The SMA10 GPS guidance system. Precision farming for every field, every condition. No base station, no problem. Work anywhere, anytime. Farming on hilly or irregular fields. The SMA10 GPS guidance system has you covered. With SBAS, PPP, and RTKQRS correction modes, it delivers centimeters accuracy for all your farming operations. Designed to adapt to tough terrains, the SMA10 ensures you stay on course, reduce overlaps, and maximize yields. Farm smarter with SMA10. Precision made simple. SMA10 GPS guidance system offers multiple guidance line modes to adapt to any field shape and operation. Choose the best mode for your task. Straight line mode function creates parallel straight lines for uniform row spacing. A+ line mode function lets you manually set a reference line, A/B line, based on your starting point and direction. Curve mode function guides equipment along natural curves or contours of the terrain. Pivot mode function optimizes guidance for center pivot irrigation systems or circular fields. Line group mode function manages pre-saved or grouped guidance lines for complex fields or repeated tasks. Tired of GPS setup headaches? Meet SMA10. 1. Mount the antenna. 2. Turn it on. 3. Farm. That's it. The SMA10's pre-configured design means software ready, just Bluetooth pairing, accurate guidance from minute 1. Farm in your language with SMA10 GPS, 10 tablet included. Software pre-installed and activated, English, French, Spanish, German, Italian, etc. Multiple languages supported. No downloads, no subscriptions. Built-in IMU, robust GNSS receiver enables SMA10 positioning stability and navigation accuracy, even in challenging environment. Rain or shine, hills or flats, full signal or partial, our GNSS receiver and IMU work together to keep you on path. SMA10 guidance system can be extended to praying system. Spraying controller and valves are optional. SMA10 guidance system can be widely used for sowing, cultivating, trenching, ridging, transplanting, and harvesting. SMA10, the GPS system built for all fields, all conditions.